Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to leave a club on the Strava application. So first of all, of course, all you need to do just go and open the Strava application if you already have it downloaded into your PC. Of course, sorry, not your PC, your phone. So of course, if you have it downloaded, that will be great. But if you don't, you will need to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Once you actually download this, you'll need to go and open it up. And once it's open, they will actually ask you to log in into your account. If you have an account already, make sure to go and log in into your account. But if you don't, they'll provide you with three options to create an account. They'll give you the Facebook option, the Google option, and even the email option. Choose whatever suits you to create an account. And once you created your account or even logged in into your account, you'll find yourself at this home option of the Strava application, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen. And here you'll find like your recent posts or pictures if you upload some. You can upload a new post, photos, manual activities, or you can even edit some activities here or even delete them if you want. But what we said in the beginning of the video, we would like to leave a club on this application. So of course, if you want to do that, we can just go here to groups and we can just go to, and of course, once you are at this group section, you can just go here and click at the clubs. And of course, if you are already joined a club, this will be great. But if you don't, you'll need to explore for clubs. You can explore by location, by sport type, or you can just go here to active and choose whatever club you'd like to join. And once you are joined a club, you can just go here into it. And of course, you'll be able to start publishing on this club, photos, posts, and of course, you'll see other people posts as well. And here, as you can see, sorry, if you go to the bottom of that, sorry again, if you go to the bottom of that club page, you'll find this option leave club. If you click it, do you really want to leave this club? Click at leave club, and here we are. You are not as not a club anymore. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching it. Goodbye.